Today, we're counting down the top 4 most insane yet affordable Chinese hatchbacks, perfect for crushing the city commute and keeping the whole dad squad happy. Forget everything you think you know about affordable cars. We're diving into the absolute wild west of the auto world, the Chinese hatchback market. Get ready for some serious sticker shock. Number 4. The BYD Seagull. Number 4 is the car that's sending shivers down the spine of every established automaker, the BYD Seagull. This thing is the literal poster child for affordable EVs. The shock? It has a blade battery. BYD's ultra-safe, rigorously tested battery technology in a car that is unbelievably cheap. That's top-tier safety tech in a bargain basement package. The Seagull is all about sharp, geometric design. It's like a compact, sporty polygon. The front end has these angular, aggressive LED headlights. They call them Seagull Eye lights, and a sporty black accent that gives it a mean little face. The side profile is clean, with hidden door handles, a touch of luxury, I love it, and a subtle roof spoiler for a sporty kick. Compared to something like a Fiat 500, the Seagull looks far more modern and grown up. It's built on BYD Advanced E-Platform 3.0, giving it that perfect, dedicated EV look. The interior is where BYD flexes. The dashboard is minimalist, colorful, and fresh. You get a massive, rotating 12.8-inch infotainment screen. Yes, you heard that right. It rotates at the touch of a button. It's got a crisp display, a digital instrument cluster, and two-tone sporty seats that actually look comfortable. You also get wireless phone charging pads, dual ones in the higher trims. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile command center. It's a 5-door hatchback, but it's clearly designed for city life. It seats 4 comfortably, some variants are 5-seaters, and the boot space is modest but usable for groceries and small luggage. This is the ultimate second car for the family, the dedicated urban runner. It's an EV running a single electric motor powering the front wheels. The motor produces around 74 horsepower, which is totally fine for zipping around town. Range is solid, with the higher spec model pushing over 250 miles or 405 kilometers CLTC. Forget the gas pump, your wallet will thank you. Beyond the revolutionary blade battery, which is insanely resistant to thermal runaway, they literally drove a 46-ton truck over the battery. The Seagull is equipped with dual front airbags, side curtains, electronic stability control (ESC), and ABS. It's a solid structure that has been rigorously tested. Okay, drop a comment right now with the word Seagull if you think this car is the death of the used car market. The price. The price that has every CEO of every major Western car company in a cold sweat. The BYD Seagull starts in China at the equivalent of less than 10,000 USD. A brand new, modern, blade battery-equipped EV for 10 grand. I'm not crying. You're crying. Number 3. The Geely Xingyuan, also known as the X2. The shocking fact here is it's a compact EV that boasts a massive 375-liter boot and a 70-liter frunk. This tiny hatch has more usable storage than some mid-sized SUVs. Your Costco runs just got an electric upgrade, people. The Xingyuan has this friendly, almost whimsical design. It's cheerful but sharp. The front has a clean, smooth fascia with cool LED daytime running lights that give it an instantly recognizable signature. The side profile is high-riding, giving you that great visibility that dads crave. It sits on Geely's new GEA platform and has a surprisingly long wheelbase for its size, which contributes to that insane interior space. The rear is clean with modern taillight clusters and a prominent roof spoiler. It's got that cool, boxy practicality that makes you think of a Honda Fit, but dipped in futuristic EV sauce. The inside is absolutely loaded. Seriously, we're talking a massive 14.6-inch floating central touchscreen running Geely's Flyme Auto intelligent system. This is high-end software, super responsive, clean, and intuitive. The seats are supportive and comfy, often featuring bold color accents that keep the mood light. High-right touches include ambient lighting, a digital driver's display, and high-quality materials throughout. They didn't miss a beat on making this car feel expensive. This is the family champion in this list. The long wheelbase means incredible legroom for passengers, and that 375-liter boot is gigantic for this class. Plus, the seats fold down to an enormous 1,320 liters. Did I mention the 70-liter frunk? That's where you put your charging cables or emergency snacks. Dad approved 100%. It's a rear motor, rear-wheel drive setup, which is unusual for a hatch and great for driving dynamics. You get a choice of motors up to 114 horsepower. The battery packs up to 40.16 kWh give it a CLTC range of up to 255 miles or 405 kilometers. That's enough range to get the kids to their soccer games, the mall, and back home on one charge. Forget the gas pump. Your wallet will thank you. Do me a favor. Subscribe right now. Hit that bell if you want to see me buy one of these. The Geely Xingyuan starts in China at the equivalent of around 15,000 USD. Think about that. A brand new, safe, spacious, high-tech EV for the price of a mid-spec washing machine. Cliffhanger. You've seen tiny and spacious, but the number 2 car is a crossover hatch that has a secret feature that makes it the ultimate family road trip machine. Trust me, you need to see this. We're at number 2, and this one is a game changer, the GAC Aion Y Plus. We're going with the Plus variant because it's the one you want. The shock? The front seats recline completely flat and connect with the back seats to create a full-on, comfortable double bed. This is a car where you can legitimately sleep on your road trip. Who needs a hotel? The Aion Y Plus is a chunky, futuristic box. It's got a clear crossover meets hatchback silhouette that maximizes interior space. The front features these crazy blade-like LED headlights, they call them angel wings, that stretch up into the hood line. It's a dramatic, distinctive look. The side is dominated by a relatively flat roofline and a high belt line, sitting on chunky alloy wheels. The rear is clean with vertical taillights that frame the wide tailgate. It looks like a slightly larger, smoother sibling to a Kia Soul, but with a seriously advanced geometric twist. This is where the GAC shines. It's an experience. We're talking about a vast, airy cabin with acres of legroom, even in the back. The centerpiece is the huge 14.6-inch rotating touchscreen, yes, another one, that runs their proprietary Audigo intelligent system. The materials are all high quality, leatherette trimmed everything. You get Bon Jovi sound system, electric seat adjustment, and ambient lighting you can sync to your music. Did I mention the optional 6.6-liter refrigerator that can cool or heat? Road trips just got bougie. Unbeatable for a hatch. It's basically a compact minivan wearing a cool EV jacket. The flat floor, courtesy of the EV platform, and those incredible fold-flat seats mean maximum flexibility for cargo, family, or even a lunch break nap. It truly is the living room on wheels. The Aion Y Plus is powered by a front-mounted electric motor delivering around 204 horsepower and 225 newton-meters of torque. It's punchy and quiet. The large LFP battery, up to 68.3 kWh, gives it a great range, often exceeding 267 miles or 430 kilometers WLTP in real-world driving. It also boasts a magazine battery structure, which they claim is bullet-resistant and ultra-safe. That's next-level peace of mind. The magazine battery is a huge selling point, designed to withstand serious damage without thermal runaway. It's equipped with all the advanced safety assists you'd expect, like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and a very cool 540-degree camera system for easy parking. If you're still here, you deserve a shock. Drop a like on this video to send a message to Detroit. For a car that's this big, this high-tech, and this versatile, the GAC Aion Y Plus starts at the equivalent of just over 20,000 USD. You cannot buy a comparable new family EV in the West for double that price. It's sheer envy. Cliffhanger. Get ready. We saved the absolute best for last. Our number 1 car is so sleek, so powerful, and so ridiculously premium that you'll think I got the price wrong. It's a genuine Tesla rival, and it's dirt cheap.
Number 1. The BYD Seal 06 GT, or just the Seal GT for short, is our number 1. Why? Because the top spec version of this car boasts a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of 3.8 seconds and a 570 kilometer 354 mile WLTP range. That's Tesla Model 3 performance territory, but in a hatchback. This is a luxury sports car disguised as an affordable family EV. This car is pure ocean aesthetics design inspired by the sleek, fluid lines of marine life. Up front, the narrow, sharp LED lights and the low-slung sculpted hood give it a purposeful, athletic stance. It looks like it's cutting through the air even when it's parked. The side profile is a gorgeous fastback silhouette. It's not a boxy hatch, it's a sleek 4-door coupe hatch. It sits on sharp 19-inch wheels and has flush door handles for maximum aerodynamic performance. Honestly, it looks like a European luxury sports sedan, making the Toyota Prius look like a brick. Welcome to the luxury cabin that will make you forget the price tag. Quilted vegan leather upholstery, an immersive 12-speaker Dynaudio sound system, and not one but 2 wireless charging pads. The star is again the colossal 15.6-inch self-adapting rotating screen for the infotainment, paired with a dedicated digital driver display. You even get heated and ventilated front seats. Every touch point is premium. It's truly a cockpit that belongs in a car twice the price. It's long, low, and wide. The longer wheelbase translates to great space for 4 adults, and the fastback style still gives you a usable hatch opening for cargo. And here's a cool bonus. It has a 53-liter front trunk, a frunk, perfect for your charging cables or a small carry-on bag. This is the pure performance end. It uses the next-generation BYD Blade battery as a structural element, part of the cell-to-body technology, which gives it incredible torsional rigidity. Power ranges from a potent 201 horsepower up to a ludicrous 523 horsepower in the Performance AWD variant. That 3.8-second 0 to 60 mph is mind-bending for this class. CTB architecture means the battery is part of the car's structure, increasing rigidity and safety significantly. It's loaded with advanced ADS features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping control, automatic emergency braking, and front and rear cross traffic alert. It has an impressive Euro NCAP 5-star rating. The gold standard in safety, now affordable. Listen up, because this is the craziest part of the whole video. The BYD Seal 06 GT, the sleek, luxurious sub-4-second EV, starts in China at the equivalent of an unbelievable 25,000 USD. A brand new car that rivals a Tesla Model 3 and a BMW i4 for the price of a mid-level used Honda Civic. I'm booking my flight right now, I'm so jealous. So there you have it, the top 5 most insane, most affordable Chinese hatchbacks that are absolutely perfect for the city commute and for all the dad duties. The question is, are you sticking with the reliability of a decade-old, gas-guzzling Toyota, or are you ready to jump into the future with a BYD Seagull? Let me know in the comments, Seagull or Corolla. I want to hear your debates. Make sure you've liked, commented, and subscribed to WheelFactor so you don't miss the next deep dive into the vehicles that are changing the auto landscape forever.